I want to welcome you back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Styles on Instagram. I make a lot of helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio-related content. Today, what I want to do is pull up this session guitarist. This one's called Pick Nylon. And what I want to do is show you how I took a simple patch from this and changed the tone of the guitar. So here's the original track that I did, or the progression that I played using just the pick nylon with no effects. So it sounds something like this here. So really smooth, it's nice and open, has a little reverb to it. And you can check that by going to the effects. You see the EQ and this IR reverb sort of built into it. So what I did was I said, you know what? I felt like it just needed some type of effects on it to give it some type of vibe. So what I did was added this plugin called Coral. I'm gonna go ahead and pin these up here so they can stay open. And now I want you to take a listen to that same progression, but with this plugin added. So already it's just sort of changing the tonality of that acoustic, or not acoustic, but the nylon, the pick nylon. So now what I want to do is I'm going to add an EQ because I felt like it was still sounding sort of dark a little bit. So I added this EQ just to kind of clean out those low mids, just kind of give the guitar some air. And so I had it into this sort of pocket where I just kind of like really sound really good. So I went ahead and added these drums from Zona Ritmo, and just the typical reggaeton style drums. I'll go ahead and solo this here. So I just kind of played it in the pocket. So say, for example, if I want to play these drums, it's going to sound something like this here. This is in solo mode. So very simple. Next thing I did was open a new group with another sound, and I found this hi-hat. And just kind of gives it a little bit of more of like a backbeat. So it's just very light. You can barely hear it, but for me, it just adds something to the beat. And then we have using Monarch and just using this bass sound. And then finally, if we add it all together, we have this here. So it's crazy how I took something so simple from session guitarist Pick Nylon, which sounded originally like this here, and turned it into something that sounds like this here. And this is what I would call the skeleton. This beat is far from done, but this is just how easy it is when you have something like the Maschine Plus and Complete 26 and some of the plugins that go along with it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Styles on Instagram. We will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.